Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make this delicious spicy garlic potatoes. So now I'm just going to wash the potatoes. Guys, you need to clean up your potatoes very well. I'm peeling off the skin. If you want, you can leave it, but me, I decided to peel the skin. So I'm just going to be chopping it to this size. You can cut your own to any size you want to cut it. So I'm just going to be adding some salt, some black pepper and some olive oil, and I'll mix everything together and I'll add some rosemary. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you so much. So now I'm just going to mix everything together properly so that everything will mix very well. So now I'll add some rosemary to give it that nice aroma guys. So in my pan I'm going to be greasing it with olive oil because I don't want my potatoes to stick to the pan. I'm going to be placing the potatoes separately because I don't want to lap the potatoes. I just want to place them separately. I'll add some rosemary, then I'll put it in my oven for 170 degrees for about 20 minutes. So while we're waiting for our potatoes to cook, I'm just going to be chopping the other ingredients that I'm going to use: the parsley, garlic, and the chili pepper. So now 20 minutes have passed. I'm just going to flip the other side of the potato and I'll put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. In my pan, I'm going to be adding some butter and some olive oil. I'll add the garlic. I'm just going to stir it together, and guys, don't let your garlic get burned, and if not, your potatoes will be bitter. So I'm adding the parsley and I'll add the chili pepper. I'm just going to cook it for just 2 minutes, then it's done. Our potatoes is ready. I'm just going to place it in the plate. Guys, I love this potato so much. This is one of my favorites. I like this way of making potatoes. It's so good, guys. Try it out. So I'm just going to add the garlic sauce that I made before. I'm just going to spread it on top of the potatoes. Then it's good to go. So if you have watched to this moment, thank you so much. God bless you, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video guys for me. Share it to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and remember to hit that notification bell and setting it in all. In that way you never miss any of my videos. I'm going to leave you now guys. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.